Welcome guys. Do you want me to repeat whatever we discussed so far, or shall I continue with the new topic? Which one you like?
Yeah, yesterday you gave some sorry. Yesterday you gave some work, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to do that. Somehow I was not able to do that. Uh, I think these elements are there in a table.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I don't know how to get these elements using the rows.
Okay. Mm. Okay. So let us work on this one. Okay. Maybe it will be useful for you also. Okay. Let's start our Eclipse. Vinay, if there is any mistake, you can let me know. Okay. So as of now, I'll execute only this one. You guys let me know how to execute for the entire thing. Okay, I'm just looking for the first one. Okay, so let's start. I'll create a new class. FB links, FB links 2, and take this one and go here. Then what is the first one we need to do? System set property. Then we should take WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Then it is E underscore SWS Chrome driver dot exe. So close this one. Then what we need to do? So use WebDriver, then give some name, means this is just your reference value. is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, then immediately we have to import these things, import WebDriver and import Chrome driver. So this is also fine. Then what we need to do, so fb dot, so we use navigate dot to. So what is the link? Take the link. Then what we need to do, so as of now it's easy, like if it is IE browser, you have to change to the Internet Explorer driver, then IE dot driver, and here also we can change it. So now what to do? So we should identify the location of these things. Okay, fine. We are given this entire thing. So when we select, it has given entire thing. So it has given entire thing. But under this we have a table. Under that we have a table. So just type table. So how you can find your path? So this is also you can try. So how we can find our path? So after table, what else is there? T body. So type T body. Okay, now it is selected up to T body. But in T body we have 3 lines. Okay, this is line 1, line 2, line 3. So you can see here, if I place cursor over here, it is clearly showing. So you try for all these 3. Okay, you try for all these 3. As of now we work only with the first one. So if I want only first one, just type TR. But even TR it is selecting everything. So 1, 2, 3. So give 1. So now it is selected only 1. So if you want to select only second one, select second. Or if you want to select 3, you can select. Okay, since we want only first one, select 1. Then A. Sorry. In that again TD. No. Yeah. In that we have TD. Okay, inside TD, then we have anchor tag. So you can see everything here. Okay, so this is the path we need to find the number of elements. So to find the number of elements, what we can do? So find driver dot find,
FB dot Suresh.
oh sorry, fb dot. So we should select find elements. Select find elements by export. So give entire thing. So then here just give size, semicolon. So this size is a value. So declare, assign this value completely to some variable. Now, so if you want to print them, use system.out.println and then you can see count. Or if you want to see number of links, so you can concatenate using plus operator. Okay, now so we have number of links. So what we need to do next? So we should repeat it, right? Am I right? So for that we should use for loop. before that declare. Okay, so with some I or j, anything is fine. For I equal to, so okay, let me start with 1, then I less than count, then I plus plus. Okay, then what we need to do now? So select entire thing. So you select the entire thing, dot get I. In that get I, so what else we need to take now? What is there?
Yeah. Attributes.
Attribute. Okay, so what is that attribute? Title.
Title.
Okay, first let's try whether it is working properly or not. Java application. See, now title is giving something else. So see now, title has something, but we want these names. See, that is somewhere. So how to print this one, we'll see now. Is it clear? So if I give title in the attribute, it is giving this information, but we want to display this also, like sign up, login, messenger. Okay, so all these things we should find them. Okay, now any idea how to print them? Okay, now same thing, instead of get attribute, select get text. So let's comment this and execute. Because title has long name, so we do not want to display that actually. See now. Okay, whenever we give text get text, it is displaying exactly whatever is there. See, so this is the value we display now. So you can observe one thing here. So from where it is getting displayed? From login. But what is there first? Sign up.
Sign up. We are,
Why?
yeah, we are started from index 1.
Yeah, so give 0. So if you want to display everything, so just uncomment both things and execute. And see the last value, which is a game. So let us check whether it is correct. Correct one, right? Okay, so this is how. Yeah. See, everything is displayed. So for each and everything, see, for sign up Facebook, it displayed sign up. Why? Because on the same name, first it is displaying the title and immediately it is displaying the text. Okay, so that's the reason you can see same thing, the shortcut name also it is displayed immediately. Now we want to display or we want to click only the messenger. How we can click only the messenger? Or okay, I want to click on people. So how can you click on people?
The seventh element.
By using if else statement.
Okay, let me, yeah. See here, generally, see this is hover, means if I keep cursor on something, see now it is showing some information, browse our people directory. Sometimes, see, browse our people directory. So this values will be exchanged. So this value people will give in the text box and these people will come into the title. But they have, here they have done reverse. Here they have done just reverse. Okay, so if I, this is hover, mouse hover, if I do, it will give some message. Okay, that message also we have displayed. Okay, that is your text. Okay, now we should click on people. So what we need to do now? So we are wasting the memory. So better next time I should use, which one we should use to close automatically?
Quit.
Yeah, use only quit. fb dot quit. Okay, now if,
People value one dot equals
okay, value 1
one
dot
dot equals
equals,
people.
so what it has to do? It has to click on it, right?
Yeah.
So instead of this, just use click. Fine. So it has to click it. Now let's see. So we see only the console. So next time we'll just see how to move this console to some different place. See, it has not opened. So since we have done quit, it has done automatically. So we do not want. See, remember here, if you do not give break, what happens? It will open the remaining things also, right? Guys, agree with me?
Uh, I didn't get you.
Yeah, see, generally, so what we said, if it is people, click on the people. Okay, now it assume that I have a scenario, it should not go to next things. So then what we need to use by the time? See, it is gone to people, right? Correct or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is into people. See, my scenario is after people, pages, places, games should not be displayed. This pages, this three information should not be displayed. So what
You
to
can
do?
use break.
Yeah,
You
we
can
need
use
to,
break.
yes, exactly. So we should use break. Means whenever it finds people, it will come automatically out. Or if you want to see the remaining links and everything, so just do not use break. Okay, now if I want to print the second one, what to do? So wherever one is there, we should replace one, right? One with two and one with three. But I want this entire thing automatically. So I do not want to change manually any value here. So that is the task for you guys.
Uh, what exactly you say?
See here, see as of now we worked on the first line, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
So now it has to go with the second line. So if it has to go to second line, in place of tr of 1, so we should substitute with 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if it is 3, then I should substitute with 3. But my requirement is, no, I do not want to substitute every time. So it has to come automatically.
Okay, okay.
You need to use one more for loop.
Yeah, we need to use one more for loop, but how to handle this one? That is what important now.
Yeah. We need to create another count for the 3 lines and do it
Yeah, just
for
explore means maybe you can, now you can start doing the Google, okay, and come back with some solution. Okay, so this is one thing, and today we'll see one more thing. So clear this one, Sanchita? Others? Vinay? Vinay, are you there? Okay, now, so the requirement is, I want to select these three values. So we want to select these three values. How to select these three values? So we have a script for Facebook, right? I think we have script for Facebook. Do we have? I think we should have something, right? No, this is also for links. So we should have something like Facebook login. Uh, I think we worked on it, right?
We were supposed to do it, then you thought the Google is better than the actually.
Okay. By select, is it giving any error? No, right? Okay, so it is not giving any error. So okay, let's work on this one. So this is static selection. So we say this is a static selection. We have two things, static and dynamic. So we have two things, one is static, another one is dynamic. But as of now, whatever we are working is static selection. Okay, so what is dynamic selection? That we'll discuss later. Okay, first always inspect. So once you inspect, you have something called select. Okay, in this select, see you can see for day, for month, for year you have. And once you drag this one, now you can see some values. This is your value and this is your visible text. So this is your visible text. And we can say the index also. So we can also say three things. We can identify with three things. One is select by value, select by visible text and by the index. So index always start from where? 0, right? Or no? From where it will start?
Zero.
From 0. Okay. So now what we need to do is, let's go with creating a class, and what we can say, FB static select. So I'll use the same thing, guys. So sorry. So to reduce the time, so I'm just copying and pasting here. So now what we need to do? So we should write something. What is that? Any guess what to write here?
We should go to that date of birth tab, right?
Come again, come again.
We should now go to that date of birth tab.
Correct. Just a second, guys. So we should say select and just give some name, whether you can give drop down, then new, then give select. Okay, then click on this one, then import and just select here. So okay, it is asking to add some argument. So it is okay. Yeah, I know what is the problem. So first, since we have taken the location of it, what we need to do is web element location is equal to fb dot find element by xpath, then so whatever you have selected, that use that one, then that value provide here loc. Okay, import element. So what we have done here initially, so whatever you have identified that location, that move it to something. So this is, since it is a web element, So I have created as a web element this LOC. So now we should use this statement. If you want to use any static selection, go with this. So here you can give any name. So it's up to you. So if you want to use only select, you can use it. So that's not a problem. Or if you want to give some other name like DD, so just use that. But what to select? So whatever we have in this to be selected. So that is the reason we have used LOC. Now what is the value we have now? DD. So DD dot see now. So you have so many options. So what are the things we have? Select by index, select by value, select by visible text. Okay, now first we'll take some select by value. Now tell me what value you want me to select. What value you want me to select here? Some random number 8. So we'll take some 8. Then DD. Then select by visible text. So tell me some visible text. What do you want me to display? So this is visible text. So here I'll give 15. Okay, then DD select by index. So index we should give something. So which one you want me to give index? Shall I give 1? Index 1? I'll give index 1.
So what are these select by value, visible text, and what
See, whatever we are seeing here, so these are the values. Select by value. So you can select your date based on the value. Or
okay,
whatever
and
you are able to see the visible text, you can select. Or
okay, but what is the value thing? I think that is for date. So the like the index and the other thing, those are for the month and year, or
no, as of now we are talking about only DD.
the date. Okay.
Only DD. Okay, so for DD, these are 3 possible ways. So now we are trying all these 3 possible ways. Is it clear? See, for DD to select your day, so you have 3 ways. One is by value, one is by visible text, another one is by index. So you can opt for anything. So now I am just showing you
So
to
3 ways we can enter value to that particular. So
exactly. Yes.
just write. We can try just write number 3, or we can choose the number 3, or we can
Go with some index. Yes.
index.
Okay, if you want to display that value, let me okay, whatever. Sorry, it is not accepting. So that's okay. But see, let us see, and you can see the value varies when we select it. Okay, initially, sorry, there is a wrong. So, okay, initially it is 15, then it has to go to 1. So you can see now it is coming to 1, right? Okay, so here, how many things we are given totally? So initially 8, then 15, then 1 I have given. So it has to select first 8, then 15, then 1. Okay, let's see here. See here, observe 8, 15, 1. See, and follow the same thing for month. Guys, are you following or you have any doubt?
Yeah, I think there is a little bit of delay happening. So when it is basically changing, I'm not able to see the change. But I got your point. I mean,
Okay.
uh,
See now, if it
so
is for month, so just select month here, and for month also you have so many options. So I want to see based on my visible text, which is June. So I want to select only June. So here give month instead of DD, and here just give 1, and here month. So what is the visible text we should select now? June, right? So we should select June. Okay, then finally go with your year. So for year also we have year, and I want to select 2016. So just take location 2, and here just type year and location 2, and here year, and here, and here I want to select 2016. So first June 2016 has to be selected automatically by your code. So let us see now. See here, just observe 2016. Or if you want to 4, okay, I'll do one thing. So to understand clearly, so we use thread dot sleep. Okay, I'll just queue. So take another thread. So since it is not clear for you, so we can use this way also. Just observe now. Now you can see some pass. See now 1. Now month will be selected after 5 seconds. See now June. After 5 seconds, now it will select 2014. It's clear now? Hello?
hello.
Yes, Sanchita. Is it clear now?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So see now where and all we can use, see wherever you have this drop down, so you can find anywhere, right? So if you go to some make my trip, so you can see here economy. Okay, so you have to select automatically. Okay, now what is dynamic? If I type something that is dynamic, no, this is not, no, this we'll discuss later. So just think about a scenario. So what you do is you explore some websites where you can see multiple things like let me open Air India. See here also you have selection, static selection. So here also you have static. So here also static. But here, so if I type, see if I type with B, AN. So it has given 4. So which one I should select? That is the dynamic selection. Okay, if I give only these 3 values, now it is asking me to select any of this one. So maybe on Tuesday we'll work on this one. Okay, then how to select your dates. Okay, how to complete a complete booking. Then how to activate your radio buttons. So all the things we'll see on Tuesday. First talk, since we completed static, we go with the dynamic selection and selecting the dates. So we finished this part. Then later we discuss on the static. So at least one page will be completed, and same here. So as of now we know how to fill the first name, surname and everything, the dates also. Once I know how to select the radio buttons, then we can start creating the account. Do you guys agree?
Yes, Suresh.
Okay, so now, and one more thing here, whatever code we are using is actually is not looking so nice, right? See here, every time I am using the same path in every place. So that is also not good. If you are a proper programmer, you should not look like this. So how to make it better? So look wise. Okay, that we'll discuss in coming classes. Is it clear or you have any doubts?
Suresh,
Yeah,
see, here we are using Eclipse, right?
exactly.
I heard there is also Selenium IDE also. Is it same or different from
No, you have
Eclipse?
no Selenium ID is only for the recording and playback.
Oh, okay.
So it is just record and playback. So whatever operations you do, you can record and you can playback immediately.
Oh, I see.
Okay, but everything cannot be recorded. So that is the reason mostly people will go with the programming. So like using the WebDriver. So Selenium IDE also is a part of your Selenium course, but we know no need to discuss Selenium IDE here.
Okay.
Okay, clear now?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. So it comes with Firefox plugin, Selenium IDE. So maybe at the end we'll discuss about Selenium IDE, but not now. Then what happens? You will totally confuse. So in real time, we are not going to use IDE, Selenium IDE, which is a record on playback tool.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Others, any doubts? Sanchita, you have any questions?
Suresh, if you
Yes.
don't use the select object creation, so then we can count the numbers, right?
Come again?
If you don't use the select object, then we can count the numbers in day, selection, month, right?
Okay, here you mean to say, right? In this.
Yeah, yeah,
Just try once. So then we have to use find elements, right? Just check once.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
I mean the visible, the select by which we are doing the selection. Okay, yeah, I get that.
okay, just try once. Means it's always good if you try with multiple options.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Then we actually know the errors and how to resolve them.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine guys. Thank you and good day.